In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and work on Jira tickets. We will walk through the basic ticket creation process in a simple and practical way, so you can enter work clearly and make it easier for your team to understand, track, and complete. To get started, open Jira and sign in to your workspace. Once you are in, look at the top menu bar and click the Create button. This opens the ticket creation window, which is where you'll enter all the important details for the work item you want to log. The first thing to check is the project, sometimes called the workspace. Make sure you select the correct project so the ticket appears in the right team area. After that, choose the issue type. This is important because it tells everyone what kind of work the ticket represents. For example, use bug for defects or problems that need fixing, story for feature requests or user-focused functionality, and task for more general work that doesn't fit those other categories. Next, fill in the ticket details carefully. Start with the summary. This should be a concise, easy-to-scan title that quickly explains what the ticket is about. A strong summary helps teammates understand the issue at a glance without needing to open the ticket first. Then move to the description field. This is where you provide a clear and thorough explanation. Include useful context so the person working on the ticket has enough information to take action. If you are reporting a bug, add steps to reproduce the issue, describe the expected result, and compare it with the actual result. If relevant, include attachments such as screenshots or logs to make the problem easier to understand. The more specific and organized this section is, the smoother the workflow will be. After that, assign the ticket to the appropriate team member if you already know who should handle it. Set the priority as well, choosing from highest, high, medium, or low based on urgency and impact. If needed, you can also add a due date or labels. Labels are especially helpful because they make tickets easier to search and group later. Once everything looks correct, click the Create button to finalize the ticket. At that point, the issue is added to Jira and can be tracked, updated, and worked on by the team. Creating clear Jira tickets is a small step that makes a big difference in communication, accountability, and execution. Taking an extra moment to write a strong summary and detailed description can save a lot of time later. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.